Isn't that cool? These are a Christmas present. So they're pint glasses. This isn't beer. It's not wine. It's just iced tea or Arizona tea is all it's in there. Anyway, I just figured I'd throw that out there. Anyhow, welcome to Crow Wing FPV, or welcome back. Either way, this video today is going to be kind of disappointing. Yeah. For one, if you're wondering why I'm wearing this, it's cold. My office is cold. It's in the basement. It's like probably 48 degrees in here right now. And I have the heaters turned off so it doesn't make a bunch of noise that I have to try and filter out later on in post-production. Anyhow, so I wanted to get out and finally do some flying with an FPV drone. It's been a while and my thumbs were itching. I had to get out and do something. Couldn't do it yesterday. Yesterday would have been the perfect day to do it because it was nice and warm. It was, I don't know, 27, 28 degrees, right around there, Fahrenheit. And that would have been perfect. It was nice and sunny. There wasn't much wind. Should have just did it. But that's life. Couldn't get out there. So I went out today in between snowstorms. Yeah. And generally when you have snowstorms, you have a windy day. And it just so happens that this was a cold snowstorm. And it's 7 degrees Fahrenheit out. And I decided to go onto a frozen lake and try and get some footage of people out there on their ice houses ice fishing. Well, it didn't work out quite so well. One, the battery life on my Protek 25, I flew one pack on it. The pack lasted, I don't know. With the wind that it was trying to compensate with, I think I maybe flew it for a minute and a half, tops. It was about as long as I flew it, maybe less. I had to check the footage. So it was a little too windy for it. I should have flew my 5-inch, but again, that's life. So I landed that and I threw this up in the air, this thing, just for fun. I have a couple of them, and this is kind of my disposable backup one. This is the SE, Mini SE, and it does a good job. It only does 1080p. It doesn't do anything more than that, which is still fine. The reason I flew that one and not one of my others is because if I landed somewhere in the middle of a frozen lake, I wasn't going to go retrieve it. Just not going to happen. My luck, I'd fall through the ice. Or definitely not going to drive on the lake, even though there's people out there with ice houses and full-size pickups driving on the lake. I'm not going to do it. Anyhow, on to the issue with the micro quad that I was going to build. I am still going to build that. However, with everything that was going on with the wedding and whatnot, I completely forgot to order up a couple pieces that I needed for the build. And those will be coming eventually as soon as they show up. And then I will do the video with that. However, I was playing around with it a little bit, and I found that I don't think that frame is going to work. So I might not go with a printable frame. I might actually just purchase a micro frame and just build it off of that. I think that might be a better choice. So yeah, once that's all done, I will let you know. And let's get on to the footage, or lack thereof. Again, this is Matt, Crowing FPV. Thank you for watching.